Hey guys, I'm Chad Wood and I'm in Los Angeles with Fekkai, and I'm going to show Jessica how to get a lived-in blowout using full-blown volume. I'm going to prep her hair with full-blown volume shampoo and conditioner. It's going to help with detangling and get lots of volume and luster and just give you everything you want in a full-body blowout. After blow drying her hair, now I'm gonna show you with the texturizer. This is super light, it's got a really fine mist, but girls sometimes spray a little too close to the face and they're not really quite sure, or they get it just on their ends. You really wanna like stand to the side or like kick your head to the side, and I want you to fan your hair out, and then you're just gonna spray while letting the hair fall, and it will evenly get in there. So then it just barely clings to those mid-shaft and ends, and then you're just gonna have that nice full volume during the day. But I want you to try it on the other side. Just kind of lean to the side and kind of go like this as you spray, like, perfect, gorge. Yeah, love. And then you just shape. You get that like sexy, gorgeous Bordeaux. Just pinch that, gorge.